Hey everyone, Brad here with Fishing with the Bradical. That's the name I'm gonna go with. It's a nice overcast day. Might not even hit 60. It's gonna be a good day to catch some trout. I'm going to the same stream I was at here in Washington County, and we got a lot of warm weather coming up, like might hit the 80s and stuff, so the trout, unless you go out early morning or late evening, midday and stuff, because right now it's 11:30, the trout won't be as active because of the heat. So this might be the last day that they're pretty active until we get a nice little cool down again, because I think the nights around here is going to be maybe 50s, which it will cool the water down, make the morning rush good. But let's see if we catch some trout.